Hello everybody, Dr. Swenson here, and we are getting a bit of a construction update on our brand new school. Pretty soon, our school board is going to be deciding on our school name, and I am so excited so that we can begin to have an identity. And as you can see, construction is going right along. We are on pace to be able to get occupancy in May of 2021 so that we can move in and start school on the first day in August. Soon you will be hearing from us so that we can do parent and student nights and do course selection. So many things are happening. This is such an exciting time for us because this is where greatness begins.